Hey guys, I'm cracking up because I'm trying to do this. I'm gonna try to do this vlog thing, okay, and possibly get you guys an extra video throughout the week. If you're new to my channel, I typically do beauty videos and lifestyle videos, so I figured why not, you know, add a vlog here and there when I'm actually doing something. I don't think you guys would want to just sit around and watch me do nothing. So I'm actually doing something today, celebrating my dad's birthday, and we're going horseback riding. So this is on my to-do list, like my bucket list. Comment down below if you have a bucket list. But y'all, I don't know what is going on with me, but this week has just been so, like, just so much, like doing too much. But I still thank God, you know. But I hope you guys are having a blessed weekend. Today is Saturday. I'll put it on the screen. Today's Saturday. So I'm heading there, and I'm just so annoyed because I like to have things like planned out. And I actually had another appointment for something else today, but I didn't realize that appointment was at the same time as my time to meet up with my family. So hopefully this horseback riding thing won't take too long. Comment down below if you've been horseback riding. What are your thoughts? I will keep you guys posted on my thoughts. Like I said, this is my first time my family and I are going, so we shall see. But let me focus on the road because there's a little bit of traffic, and I will see you guys when we get to the horse place. So I made it to the horse track, or whatever this place is called, the horse place, and my family is still not here. Like, I really, like, it is such a pet peeve for me when you tell me a time and I'm there and the other people are not there, or you're confused on times and I have other things that I have planned, and I'm trying to have a window for everything, and I just get so frustrated. So this is a raw vlog of, you know, stuff like this happening. I probably look really oily because I put on a hydrating primer, but oh, let me show you guys some of the horses. At least I can have that footage on here in case I change my mind and just leave. So let me show you guys that while I'm standing around, or standing around waiting, I should say. But it looks like they're about to start. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, it looks like they're about to start. Let me just go over there and see what is being told. But look at these horses, they're gorgeous. I hope you guys can see those. You see the horses behind me. There you go. Let's do it that way. Yeah, right there. I think somebody's looking for a parking spot. But there's more. There's more. I don't know where my family is, but I'll keep you guys updated on what's happening.
Look at her, look at her. Look at her, the cowboy is ready. Yeah, this is my birthday. I'm coming to ride the horses.
Hey girl, what's up? Today is Monday morning. It's early. It's early enough. And I just wanted to do a vlog this week to give you guys some different content, since my channel is a lifestyle and beauty channel. I'm not sure how I want to like go about like dropping that throughout the week, but you guys can let me know down below based on if you like this week's vlog, if you want me to continue them, if I should just stick to my beauty and hair type videos. But definitely let me know down below, and I'm just gonna take you on the week with me this week and see how I can do this whole vlogging thing. But yeah, it is Monday morning. It's about 9:20 a.m. and typically when I'm working, I don't put on any makeup or anything. I just have on a moisturizer, so don't judge me for that. And I'm like trying to lay down my edges. I need to redo the front of my hair so that I can talk about this hair. I'm gonna definitely do a review on this hair and let you guys know about it and how I do my twists. I see a lot of you do like my hair videos, so I want to share this brand that I've never tried before and show you how I achieve the twist and how it looks so like perfect how the twist looks so good and roped like compared to another brand that I typically would use for these particular Marley twists. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna continue answering some emails. I'm about to make something for breakfast, so maybe I'll show you guys what I'm gonna eat today. Happy Tuesday, you guys. So today I am actually just finishing up recording a video, so make sure you stay tuned for this look right here and some amazing products that are affordable and drugstore. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure your post notification is on so you won't miss that upload. But right now I'm about to clean all this mess up. The life of a YouTuber. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this stuff up, and I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. I have to answer a few emails and get back to work, so stay tuned. Hey girl, happy Wednesday. I am so excited. It's what is it? 10:30 a.m. right now, and it's Wednesday. And I just got something in the mail. Y'all, this was long overdue. I ordered something from, y'all, I'm so excited because I ordered this back in August. Yes, today is October the 7th. So I mean, it was long overdue. I don't know what happened. I had more things in my cart, and apparently some of those items did not get, they were sold out at the warehouse, so they couldn't send them to me and all this other stuff. So I reached out to customer service, and I will tell you guys that BOOHOO's customer service on their WhatsApp, super quick with response. So I was really happy about that. I ordered this swimsuit, but now I think the top is not even in stock. So I guess this is the bottom. Oh no, these are my, no, the swimsuit I told them to keep. These are the biker shorts. And I got these in, oh, these are gonna be too big. Did I order this? These are gonna be big. I don't know why I thought I got the 10. These are 12. These are size 12, but maybe I'll just have to try them on and see. But they feel really, really soft. These are the biker shorts. They call them the Lexi Jersey cycle shorts in black. I picked them up from the plus section. I thought it was on the regular section with the size 10. So these will probably fit a little loose, but they are a little bit see-through. So yes, like I said, if you guys are into my little chill me type vlogs and you want to see another type of vlog, I am going to be vlogging a little bit on my trip that's coming up. So that's why I got this stuff. And then this one is called the Tassel Beach Dress in white. I was super excited about this. This is how this looks. So the bottom is like that. And it's white, and I got this in a size large because this is my first time shopping on BOOHOO, so I don't even know how their sizing works. So comment down below if you shopped at BOOHOO before, if you like their stuff, if you don't. Quality wise, it'll do what it needs to do for where you're going, especially this type of stuff, like basic type of t-shirts and shorts and stuff. But I'm excited about this. So cute. I was gonna pair this with the shorts. And then what I really needed was this dress. So this is the, oh my gosh, I hope this is my size. This is the boutique full skirted prom midi dress. Oh hope it fits because I have been slimming down, girl. But this is what it looks like. You probably can't really see it until I try it on, so I should go try this on. But it looks like this. It like flares out. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna have to send this back. That dress is just too big. I can't. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my work and get through the day, and I have some exciting things to do later on this evening, so maybe I will, or hopefully I'll remember to pick up the camera and show you guys what I'm doing later, so stay tuned. It is now 6:15 in the afternoon, and I am on my way to a photo shoot for this new brand that is coming out with their makeup products. So I will keep you guys posted on that. Don't mind my headscarf. I'm trying to let my edges lay down a bit, and I got makeup all over it, but nevertheless, I am driving to that photo shoot. Y'all, I actually tried out some press-on nails. Not bad. I do want them to be a little bit shorter. These were these Kiss ones right here, and I'm like putting them on at red lights and stuff like that, but I will keep you guys posted once I get there. So far so good. Comment down below if you tried these new impressed press-ons. This is not a glue or anything, so I don't even know how long they're going to last, but just something for the photo shoot since I'll be holding up some of the makeup products. But I'm super excited, and yeah, so I will keep you guys posted once I get there. And yeah, it is the afternoon on Wednesday. Typical day of me working from home. Didn't do much, and then I was like, you know what, let me bring my girls with me to show on this amazing photo shoot that's coming up. So yeah.
Hello.
And the owner is still getting her makeup or whatever done.
This
Hi,
my
ladies.
Sister,
Hi. Hi.
There's Chick-fil-A downstairs. Did you eat?
No.
Huh?
Listen, you can't be eating before photo shoots.
Right. That's not gonna.
Why do people listen? Comment down below.
Feed the models. Some comment down below.
Comment down below if it's just me. Like, people always want to take pictures after you ate. Like, no.
Bathing suit pics. You cannot eat for a week. But lipstick, lip jellies. I mean.
Whew, guys, when you see this clip, this is the ending of this vlog. I told you guys I'm trying to do this vlog thing and see, you know, how I go about it and how you guys like it, and if I should continue them, because I know we are creeping up on Vlogmas, but I want to get in the swing of things beforehand so that I'm not like scrambling around for that. But it'll be a one vlog for the entire week of like different snippets of what I'm doing and stuff like that. So yes, let me know down below. But I'm gonna close this vlog out. I hope you guys enjoyed, you know, what I've done so far throughout the week. Today is Thursday. I'm just gonna close it out so I can try to have this up by Saturday or Sunday. So yeah, let me know down below. I know you guys like, you know, giving me feedback, and I really do appreciate the feedback and really enjoy that. It helps me stay on track with my schedule. So yes, until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.